These are my new Contigo water bottles that I picked up from the Amazon team. I'm really excited to have these ones, and there's some really great features on it, so I'm going to show you why. Obviously I've got a blue and I've got a pink, one for me, one for Hubs, and the reason why I picked these ones up specifically are a few features. One, we start at the top, we've got this little clip here which is going to be really great, like a carabiner clip. So if you've got like a backpack or you want to maybe clip it onto your bike, you've got a little clip there, so nice and easy in spring form. The top here is a flat, but it pops up to be a sucky lid, so it's really nice. It's completely, it's going to be out of the way. You're not going to be getting that dirty if it's in your bag, so really good. So you can just push it down and reclose it again, really handy. Got a little button, and it also comes with a little lock as well, so you can keep it nice and locked. So again, if it's in your bag, you are not going to be smashing it around. It's going to be opening up by mistake. One of the other reasons why I really like it as well is the straw. I like having a straw in my water bottles because if I'm like on the treadmill or like on a cross trainer, I don't want to be tipping my head back and getting confused and falling off. So having a straw means you haven't got to do that. And the straws are always unscrewable. It's not my first Contigo. You can unscrew them all so you can get them really clean and disinfect them. So there's that there, and obviously screw it back in again so you can keep it really nice and clean. Nice big mouth. Again, you can get a nice bottle washer in there, keep it all nice and hygienic. I do give mine a little soak every now and again in like an ammonia or bleach, watered down, which is really good. It's also got on the side here the water measurements. Let me just remove the sticker. So I've just removed the sticker to show you. It's also got the gauge on there. This size is really great. I think they did 3 sizes. One was a 500 ml, one was a litre. This is like halfway. I think for me personally, the 1 litre is just too heavy if it's in my bag. I feel like it's sloshing around. It's a bit of a time bomb, and the small one is just not worth it. So this one's a really great size as far as I'm concerned. In fact, it's translucent, so you can see how much you got as well. Overall, this ticks every possible box I could think of that for a water bottle. So yeah, and I know Contigo are a really good brand. I've got their tumblers, I've also got their coffee mug as well, and I haven't had any one issues with it, so I'm really pleased to have this. And I hope that's been helpful.